Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to unbox DC01, which is carbon fiber wheelchair, and have an initial setup. I hope you find it really easy and simple. Thank you very much for choosing JBH wheelchair. Let's cut the top of the strap and also the tab off, and then we can open up the top of the carton and then lay the whole carton down that we can pull out the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. We already got the wheelchair taken out from the carton right now. First of all, let's check we have all the accessory available for you. First of all is the seat cushion, and then right in the middle you can find a seat back cushion. Open up the footrest so that you can take out the charger inside the box, the controller, and final thing is the user's manual pack with user's manual, safety belt, and some simple tools for you available in the future. Open up the wheelchair. It's really simple and easy. Just hold the top of the seat back that you within the wheelchair to the front. We can just open this up in 1 second. Really simple and easy. We can set up the seat cushion on the top of the seat. Seat back cushion with the logo to the back. And then the controller that you can find a pipe. We just slide it inside the pipe and then armrest and turn the knob to tight. Connector with arrow to arrow and turn the knob to tight. Wheelchair has freewheel mode design that allow you to switch to manual or electric modes. Trick mode, really you need to push the two lever back, and then we turn the lever up that allow you to flip up the armrest that you can access from the side, or you can choose from the screen to get inside the wheelchair. We can turn the power on. The battery is actually charged when it goes out of the factory, that you can simply just turn the joystick to the front, and you want to go to the back, turn it back, right or left, and even a 360 degree turning radius is no problem at all. There are two ways for charging the battery. First of all, you can choose the direct charge through the joystick. Here there's a charging port here. Make sure you find out there's an arrow and a groove right at the end of the connector. Click this down, or either you can see there's a logo you put on the top, and then you can insert it. Really simple and easy. This way you can connect to any power source you want for charging. The second way is an all-4 charging design. The battery is right under the seat, so that we just simply pull out the battery. You will find a charging port here. Simply just plug in the plug, and then you can take out the battery for charging either inside your room or any other place that you want to have a battery charge. Pull out the wheelchair is really simple and easy. Find out there's a holding mechanism here with a bar here that we just lift it up, push the seat back to the front a little bit. One hand holds the seat base, the other hand holds the top of the seat back. Then we can push that to the center, we can fold it up. Really simple and easy. Final thing is the footstep. Okay, that's really a simple way to fold and unfold the wheelchair and also have an initial setup. I hope you find the unboxing is really simple and easy for you. If you got any questions, please check out the user's manual or subscribe to our channel. Put a thumb up. Thank you very much.